From the source data, I'm going to show you about how to use pivot table with slicer. So when we select all and we go to insert and pivot table, we will have the source function like this. So we can use slicer by click on insert and use slicer. Before using slicer, we have to generate the template or the format report by pivot table in advance. So in this, we select products. Okay, we select quantity in this value, make sure it is the sum functions. Okay, and then we would like to find sum of the product by years. Okay, we put years like this, or we want year in the columns, and then we would like to find product by store. Okay, like this. So in this, we would like to sum by amount also. So we select the amount in the sum value. So right now it will show us like this. So if we change the format, the about header, it also changes. So kindly change based on your preferables. So about me, I prefer with this template. Yes. Okay, so quantity, we can just only use the word quantity. If we change quantity here, quantity here, quantity here, and quantity here also. So amount, sum of amount, we just want to change to only USD. Okay, we change automatically. So right now, we want to generate another report that show by quarter. We copy and put down, and then we show by quarter. Okay, like that is a quarter. So if we don't want to show or design again and again about the report, so we can use slicer in advance to design, and then we can select based on the slicer to see the report. So I select here, I go to insert, and then I select slicer. This is how to use slicer, and then I select what I want to show by slicer. Okay, mean that I want to trade a report by product name, I want to trade report by store, I want to trade report by quarter, by years. So I click OK. So in this called slicer, and this slicer are very useful template format or report that we just click to see the report. For example, in the template or report, we would like to see only year 2020. Okay, the report will show us only year 2020. So year 21, year 22, so it will change automatically for us. So in this, if we don't want to see the total again, you just go to the designs and you go to the grand total. The columns is the about, the row is the portrait line. So make sure this is called row, this is called columns. So you go to it again and then click on designs and go to grand total, and you don't want to see grand total on the columns, so you just click on okay, so it will hide the grand total for us. So if you want to show it again, it will show like this. So this is the slicer, and we can generate the template of slicer automatically. For example, in 2022, you just want to see the report in 2022, and you just want to see the report on these store ones. So you click on this like this, it will show in year 2022, and the sale report in the store 1 are shown as enclosed. So if you want to see only store 2, or you want to see only store 1 and 2, okay, so it will show like this. If you want to see only store 1 and 3, okay. If you want to see only the product A and B, yes, sorry, product C and D, it will show like this. If you want to see only the quarter ones, it will show only the data in the quarter 1. If you want to see the quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, or quarter 1s, okay. So this is how to use the slicer. And if you don't want to use slicer to get it as normal before, you just click cancel all the filter that you are filtering. Yes, so in this slicer you can design based on your prefer by using options, and then you don't want the column like this, you want to get it with the row, so you just column, you create 1 2 3. Yes, okay. So right now year are shown like this, okay. And then in the store, if you don't want to see in these shapes, you can change by go to option and you create the quantity of columns. Yes, to 4 columns, okay. And then you can put in this, yes, the same, okay, the same. And then that's this product also, you can go to options and you change the shape, okay. Products have 5, so you want to show blank, okay. If you don't want to show blank, it's up to you. Yes, so you can is like this. In this one also, you can go to options and then you shape it like this. Yes, you resize and make it small and put it under the line. And this one is the blank data, so you can keep blanks, okay. So just we can hide this, we don't want to see, okay. If you don't want to see, you can hide, okay. And this we can put until here. Yeah, we can design based on our preferables, our enjoyment. So the shape is like this, so we just design and then we can click. When we do presentation, it's very useful, and we can say that it's easy for us to present to our management team or to the team that we would like to do presentation to. So when you click on the slicer on the product, it will show. When we click all, it will show, okay. So totally this is, and this if you don't want to show, you can hide it, okay. So this is how to use the slicer, and very useful, because of the slicer are linked to the dashboard management report that I will show you in the next lessons. So I hope you can do this and get all I'm explaining, and you can do it. So this is the template I mentioned in the previous lesson. Also, you can go to the designs and you generate the templates based on these functions you want to band row, band columns. It based on you. You want to show header row or high, it's up to you. This you want to show another. Okay, remove the blank line after each item, or it's up to you. Okay, so layout report, you want to get the normals, you want to get a normal like this, or you want to get which one that you prefer, you can use this. And the grand total you want to show, you can show. You want to hide, you can hide high row or high column, it based on you. And subtotal, you want to show a high, or you want to show all the subtotal at the top of the group, it's up to you. So this is how to use slicer with design template in pivot tables. So I hope you enjoy the video, and more question kindly ask, comment below my video, and we will explain more. But don't forget subscribe to my channel in order to get new video. Thank you.